This is Ghost Watches. I'm Casper, and it's time for another 1-minute unboxing and test on the Timegrapher. And as you can see, it's a Christopher Ward watch in their standard packaging. It's the Christopher Ward C60 Trident in bronze. Let's get it out and on the Timegrapher. Give it a quick wind here. I like to test watches face up, face down, and crown left. These are the three most common positions for a watch. Straight off the bat, I'm looking here and I'm seeing a plus 10 seconds per day. On the face down side, we're looking at about plus 13 seconds. This is great because we don't want there to be a variance of much more than 15 to 20 seconds when you flip a watch into a different position. In the crown left position, plus 5 seconds per day. And take a look at the line there. You want the lines to be straight. This shows that the watch is running evenly. Tick tock, tick tock. And as always, we will have a full review on this watch here coming very shortly. Stay tuned.